Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to Cooking with Efya. Today I'm sharing something hot, fluffy, and full of flavor. My pepper and onion boflot, also known as puff puff. If you love puff puff but want to take it to another level with that Ghanaian heat and aroma, then this recipe is definitely for you. It's soft inside, golden on the outside, and you will surely love it. So let's get started. To begin, I have my clean mixing bowl ready. I'll start by adding my all-purpose flour. But before that, make sure it's properly sieved so there are no lumps, and it's also going to help loosen up the flour very well. After that, I'm going to go ahead and add in my sugar, just enough to balance the spiciness later. Then add a pinch of salt to bring out the flavor. Now here comes the special touch, a little bit of nutmeg. After the nutmeg, make sure to stir very well until all is nice and well incorporated. The nutmeg is definitely going to give the puff puff or boflot that sweet warm aroma that makes everyone turn their head when it's frying. Don't add too much, just about half a teaspoon is enough. Now, sometimes in the excitement of mixing, we can make a small mistake. Like I did today, I added warm water before adding the yeast, and my batter turned out a bit runny. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it the right way. But before that, don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up. Also do subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes like this. Thank you so much for doing that. Now I've already activated the yeast and it's ready, so I'm going to pour it gently into the runny batter. You will notice it starts to mix in beautifully. As you can see, it's looking very runny, and that's not what I'm looking for, trust me. So I'm going to add a little extra flour, about half cup of flour. You can also add it 2 to 3 tablespoons at a time. The trick here is to add slowly and mix well each time. We don't want it to over thicken, just bring it to that perfect puff puff texture. You will see the batter change from watery to smooth and stretchy dough. It should look like a thick cake batter, soft, a bit stretchy, but not runny. And don't forget to mix in circular motion. That helps air enter the batter and gives you soft, fluffy boflot that you're looking for. Now it's time for the magic flavors. For the pepper, I'm using fresh red pepper, and I'm also going to be using fresh onion as well. You can use the green chili pepper and that will be fine. I'm going to chop everything finely so the flavors blend into the dough very well. You can use more or less depending on how spicy you want your boflot to be. Is very important. I'm also deseeding the pepper because I don't want the seeds to be in the dough. That's me. You can also keep it in your batter or your dough and you are good to go. Now I'm going to add the pepper and the onion into the batter, and I'll give it a light mix. The aroma already is something else, trust me. It smells really good in here. This smells just like pink council, and it tastes more like pink council as well. So if you are a lover of pink council, then this recipe is for you. Now it's ready, so I'm going to cover the bowl with a clean film and a clean napkin, and I'll allow it to rest for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour, just until it doubles in size. Alright, so after about 40 minutes, my batter has risen beautifully. Look at all that bubblings on top. Now before we fry our puff puff, let's go ahead and heat up our oil. We're going to deep fry this, so make sure to use a bigger pot and also add enough oil as well. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. Whilst the oil is heating up, let's go ahead and add in more pepper and onions. This is totally to my taste. If you don't like pepper, trust me, you can omit it totally. I'll give it a gentle stir to release some air, but don't overmix. You can already smell that pepper and onion flavor coming through. It's so good. Now the oil is hot, so all that is left is for us to drop in a puff puff, and we're going to use the catch and throw method or the hand drop method. You can also use the spoon or any other method that you feel comfortable with it. I also have a recipe on how to drop and scoop puff puff, a very detailed one. I'll leave that video link in the description box for you to check it out. Make sure also not to overcrowd the oil. Fry in batches so each one cooks evenly. As they fry, keep turning them with a skewer or fork so they turn brown evenly on all sides. You will notice that beautiful golden color coming up. That's the sign your puff puff or your Boflot is doing well. The smell of the pepper and onion frying together, oh my god, is so appetizing. This is what makes this version different. That flavor hits you before you even bite. Continue to fry until each puff puff or Boflot turn golden brown and light. Once they are ready, just the way you see it on your screens right now, just scoop them out and place them on kitchen tissue to absorb any extra oil. Now look at that soft, fluffy golden and perfectly round pepper and onion Boflot. I'll remove everything from the oil as I said, and I'll also place it on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. And once done, I'm going to repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Whilst our second batch is frying, I want to also use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my video, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. Fam, I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. And that's how I make my special pepper and onion puff puff. Soft, fluffy, spicy, and full of Ghanaian flavor. If you tried this recipe, don't forget to let me know in the comment section how yours turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Stay blessed and keep cooking with love.